amadoda emaningi zindala zombili dubula magazini safa ngendlala. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, brothers and sisters in Christ, welcome to the Blood Podcast, the only podcast that is alive in the Shiselweni region, proudly brought to you by Natik. I'm your host today. My name is Chokozani, aka Chores Makas. I'm not alone in the studio today. I've got two beautiful ladies. I will give them the opportunity to say hi to you, everybody.
Mbukeli Blue Heart Podcast siyakuvusela. Thanks for watching. Lokuvusela konke ngikhulu lethabethe libito lami angihambi ngedwa. I think in a partner wami utavusela
partner in crime.
Hi viewers, my name is Gosepa Madonsela. Ngisebenza khona namla kaNathiki as a prevention officer volunteer.
Hey, malevuze phaya. Imalevuze phaya. Ephayo, tell us about yourself. Uchamuka phi, ubuya phi? Uziphayo Madonsela. Ngibani uphayo because bazibuza lapho ukuthi hey. Siyaqala kumbona ngabe ngubani uphayo.
No, I'm from luckily I'm from here from Mhlangano.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I'm Gosepa Madonsela.
Oh, okay.
I work here as a volunteer.
Oh, okay.
Prevention officer.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
I did social work.
Oh yeah, thank you so much. Guys, you are still tuned in the Blood Podcast. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Guys, this podcast here, we are discussing issues that are affecting, everybody, the social ills. Here we're having meaningful conversations. So today we want to dive into a topic, that is not commonly spoke about, nowadays. Sikhulumisa indaba ye-emotional intelligence. It's a new phenomenon, to all of us, probably youth vele. And masithi siyayibuka le ndaba ye-emotional intelligence. Iyasishaya kakhulu ngilapho khanje ukuthi so discover late ukuthi yo lana ngathi ngibhocele lana so namhlanje ngiphethe ama professionals la ngiyazosichazela ke kabanzi ukuthi mangabe sikhuluma nge-emotional intelligence sikhuluma ngani mhlambe to start with you Khulile, in simpler terms, uchazele mhlambe umuntu lo le emakhaya yabo noma umuntu osembabani ungu-cheese boy but who doesn't understand ukuthi yini emotional intelligence, just in simpler terms nje ukuthi emotional intelligence unawo.
Ngiyabonga Duba kumbe ngakangeni maybe explaining ukuthi yini emotional intelligence kuthi nje ngabe kusangawo you know ukuthi I decision lo tayithatha right now is based on how you feel right now. Anginemanga yini pha nginemanga yini
emaga vele
look at it Duba I decision lo tayithatha nyalo lokuhleli la is based on how you feel right now.
Okay.
Kusho ukuthi ke nangabe nyalo nje wena udiva ngazuthi ukwatile noma maybe you said ama decisions otawathatha are based on that emotion lo ivanye.
Ukhuluma kona Khulile.
Basically is that.
Get deep.
Be able to recognize and understand your own emotions.
Oh, okay.
Like ungagcini lapho kudinga phela ubese soyaba able to understand ema emotions ebantu. Yola kusho ukuthi ema decisions lo wenda konyala it's based on how you feel right now. Nangabe usedi vele udongithatha kabi noma ngabe kuthiwa sengiyafika ngiyakudlalisa because awukho in emotion yakho ithi you're not in the right space. Emotion yakho ithi ngikwatile mina you are sad. Vele the way lo reacta ngayo will be different than lendlela lobonga reacta ngayo nangabe happy. So it is important ukuthi ube able to manage and ube responsible for ema actions zakho ema emotions zakho. Anga control ema emotions zakho. Just be able to ukuthi wena info based uyacabanga think before you act. Ngiloko nje kudinga kwenta nayo. That's emotional intelligence.
Think before you act.
Think before you act.
But does it apply to us as human beings, noma more especially to us as a youth, yabona? Because nje lokho ukuthi umuntu uyenza into usole ngakusasa.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Sikhulumisa because sesibonile ukuthi siyasende info bese uyatisola ngakusasa.
Oh yeah.
It's lenza ba if when you can't control your emotions, the emotions are going to control you.
Oh, okay.
Uyabona?
Okay.
If wena ungakhona lokho ukuthi yathi kuthini, let me control my emotions, think before I act. Lama emotions ngiwo la tawuthatha lenzawo. So impilo yakho yonke nje, your decisions in your relationships, konke at school, work, utabanga lama emotions like.
Okay, maybe guys, maybe if you can give me an example. Yabo ukuthi mfethu yabona if ungacabanga kanjena uact kanjena nanga ama consequences yakubona unginike nje just a clear picture ukuze nayo umbukeli yabo abe nako ukuthi yo yabo labo sis lento abakhuluma ngayo man ekuyangifikela noma ngiyangayicabanga but you understand ninginike nje just a scenario nje.
Okay, mina ngiyathanda ukukhuluma nemlomusha especially the youth because ngiyethele it's affecta kakhulu abantu labasha.
Okay.
Asengikubekisele Dube. If maybe you're in a relationship uba at loggerheads with your partner uyabona then umshaye ngemphambo asengibekile angithi lama emotions athi wena ukwatile then lama emotions sa controller wena awusacabanga ukuthi what are the consequences lokumshaya. And most of the time bantu labasha maybe those lababulala their partners ukhanze ukuthi sesiyabahamba uyobahlola eprison athi umuntu kwavele kwathi khwishi yini lele yathi khwishi uyabo.
Okay.
Ngilama emotions wehluleka lokutibamba ukuthi yathi kuthini lele ngikufila nyalo asengikucontrol and think about ukuthi nang actor kanje noma nang reactor kanje kutawendekani in the future.
You know I like the way unakhuleka ukuthi usuyayilinka ke manje to gender based violence yabo. Uzubekisa ukuthi umuntu esemajele mangathi uyambuzela ukuthi wena why did you end up being here but then ngicela ukubuzela ukuthi awu regret yini let's say ngiyabekisa I'm not promoting ukuthi vele abantu ufuna ba act then yakbo let's say ikhona lokucansulayo and then nithi nina ufuna ube emotional intelligent and then ube emotional awube na regret ukuthi ngabe ngiactile manje yabo lana ngathi ngijoleka kabi lana awu regret yini after angazi uma understand.
Yeah, I do understand you.
Ngivaza ukuthi ungaregreta but itoxida because ansho awufuna la kutikhanza in a position lo dogcina so when there's something lo tosola ngayo lo wenze ngcono ukuthi uregret usekhaya ukuthi yati ebengiphendvule ngathi instead because ngiyalo sengibukeka ngazi ukuthi ngiweak ngiyabekeza but akusiko the fact that wena awuka react based on of my emotions makes you stronger akusho ukuthi wena you are stronger than me mina le ndawo act ukuthi ngidobese ngiyakuthatha libhodlela or something ngushaye ngalo lapho soyang for i-assault soyangibophisa for i-assault wena usafe angishaya ukangi-assault imoto wena usekhaya alright but in as much as utova ukuthi yati I regret not responding to khulile in this certain way because lokuthi you are safe wena uti protectile and you actually even protected lo muntu lokuphathe kabi because nanaye vele ngivaza ukuthi naye bese kuyamudla ngekhathi ukuthi ati maybe I shouldn't have said that to Tyson or to Dube yabona
yes moreover asengikubekisela
moreover
no, in addition to that. In addition to that. Now, substance abuse. Yabona most of the time, lauti kanza kona songene kuma drugs. It's because lama emotions zakho ngaleso sikhathi leso you were happy. Maybe there was a party somewhere. Then you guys were all happy. Then what kanza gokuthi you failed to control the happiness yakho. And in such a way you go ukuthi le happiness yakho yagcina yakwendisa into bangakaconze kuphela. In the future and utekhanze so addicted to those things kanti kube wathi bamba ngalesikhathi maybe prone to that thing ngabe awusekho la ukhona khona.
No, I'm just telling information the serious guys. You are still tuned in the Blood Podcast. Please don't forget to like, to share and also to subscribe and also kuna le comment section lapha please sicela ukuthi ubhale sizwe ukuthi uthini ngale topic lesikhuluma ngayo emotional intelligence. Guys, you know, as professionals, uyazibuza lapho umbukelo ukuthi do you learn to be emotionally intelligent noma vele into lozalwa nayo vele noma kufuna kube personality yakho siyithatha le emotional intelligence?
No, awudalwa nayo. There's a difference between the IQ ne emotional intelligence. IQ udalwa nako lokuhlakanipha nje ukuthi athi wena you are brilliant wena uNkulunkulu wakuphe ama brains you are brilliant uyakhona kwamba into fast. Lokho kudalwa nako lokho uyabona kude lokho. That's IQ.
Okay.
Kude longakuphuca lokho vele nje uyadalwa vele kuthi hayi usicenge vele wena you know things better uyabona. Then the emotional intelligence yona you like awudalwa nayo. You grow like iyo ngenxa yokuthi overcome ama challenges kanjani then you learn to grow kulen vole ukuthi okay uyabona kwangisita manje ngingamphendula idubena kancaphatha uyabona maybe nasidibana kuphi because kwangiseva in a lot of things sengiyathi ke ukuthi in future noma ngathi umuntu ukupushe to what limit you need to keep quiet because kutathi
but kuliye
kumatima
because man ukuthi sengiyakukhatha right ngifuna ukureact kule point ukuthi noma ngathi umuntu ukuphusha kanganani funa ube like no it's not worth it but asesibuke kule culture lesiphila kiyo nakhulu yakubo the patriarchal society ukuthi vele mina as a man yakubo kufuna ukuthi ugcine mina ukukhuluma
true
so ucabanga labo babele emakhaya bangakuvuma lokho ukuthi umake kube nguye lokukhuluma makakhuluma so hayi bathi siboba emotional intelligent angimekela akhuluma hey guys asibene realistic
yeah true
asibene realistic
ukuthi utisuse kule environment lo bona ngathi ngazuthi udobe sesoyindati info lo to regrets in the future
okay
so nangabe make vele abusy vele achukuluda akhuluma so luzama ukuthi wena ube emotional intelligence akumele ukuthi emotional intelligence akusho ukuthi kudinga ngibe la roomini nawe ukhuluma bese sengiyaphuma ngiyahamba ngicela ngiphume ngihamba nangibona ukuthi ngido reactor in a way letoba negative yabona so ngicela ukuthi vele nje nangabe aqala makakhuluma vele
but lo make makakhuluma yena u-emotional intelligent yena because nina bo make niyakhuluma nina niyakhuluma yabo kuphizolo njani yabona uyangiphusha mina to a certain point to the boiling point yakubona and then you guys expect me as a man to be emotionally intelligent ngithi mina hayi no guys hayi dube unga react thula wena yabona lingizwe kahle I'm not promoting violence yabo but ngicabangela lo mbukeli lapho yakubona
proper kahle
yes
okay like emotional intelligence ifayikhathi lokho uthi understand nana nawo personality kokuthi yathi kuthini dube mina I'm short tempered yathi kuthini mina angithandi ukuthi umuntu angikhulumele kangaka because isandla sami silula sisheshe siphunyuke uyabona so ke ngilakusitha khona lokho ngibuyele kulokwaphaya kokuthi kuyasitha lokho ukuthi uthi remove in the situation wena uyabona awungeke kuzuboshwe ukuthi you left someone's talking wangamnandi ngeke kude nje umloko oboshelwa lokho ungamane umshiye ungakeva nokuthi uthi then you come back when the situation is much calmer and discuss le issue lebeyimcabanisa before lokho unfortunately ke kokuthi akwenteki kokuthi sicabange lokho most of the time we act bese sithi sorry and umuntu ohlala axolisa mbukeli akathatheki serious in the future nangabe nje utawenda something and uthembe kokuthi udawuthi sorry asangibele kuma relationships kunebantu la ukhanza ukuthi bayethukana kuma relationships
sure
uzusame ngisho ukuvula i-text yakhe noma uyibona ka WhatsApp umkhanze ukuthi vele ubhalile kuze kunasimo lapho uyabona lokho lapho ikhathi kuyesabela so uyabona lapho uyabona nje ukuthi this person utathi nasayila ama emotions akhe sekehlile sekukahle sekukhalma bese futhi uyaxolisa didn't mean it nakuthiwa kunendlule ngendlule ke magama uyabona magama so nje nginohlela ngikhumbula nje ukuthi lona phela
wathi kimi lamagama ayahlala
lamagama ayahlala uyabona as much as utawuthi wena maye ngiyaxolisa uyabona even at workplace nangabe nje umuntu lode emotional ngendlela ninganyathelana trust me ngeke ngihlale ninganyathelana but then nangabe wena utaba umuntu loda reactor ku onke ama situations la lobhekana nawo angeke you wouldn't make it
okay
also I wanna clarify ukuthi le emotional intelligence akusho ukuthi we are expected kuma males kuphela
exactly
it's for everyone not as females we are expected to be emotional intelligent because kumcwa ukuthi sibe able to master ukuthi akusho ukuthi me being emotional intelligence akusho ukuthi uya suppressa what you feel it means ukuthi you are able to control how to speak how to nje my reactions are when and how true so it's for everyone it's not just for me it is expected my males are emotional intelligent not as for me ngiwasho ukuthi kulela ukuthi it's not like IQ kuba ukuthi vele uyayifunza lento udinga ukuthi uyipractice every day akudinga ukuthi okay ngiyafunza namuhla ukuthi nangibese soyayeke
it's an everyday
thing but it's an everyday udinga ukuthi upractice
you cultivate
cultivate kube info lehlala kwenzeka kuwe ongemalanga because vele angeke si expect ukuthi umuntu lonema enga issues ukuthi vele namuhla siyamfundzisa ukuthi manage njani engazakhe bese ses expect ukuthi angeke asa react vele the way bekana but the more a practice ukuthi yatina ngabe ngikwatile
nangena kanje
nje nangena eventually togcine kuyinfo yakhe like last day sesimbona ngayo ukuthi okay yathi phayo nangaba kwatile decide yena kuphuma anga act based on ama emotions akhe ngaleso sikhathi.
Yeah, no, guys, the information is deep. Guys, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and also to share. You are still tuned in the Blue Heart Podcast. Guys, mhlambe umbukeli uyazibuza lapha lokuthi ithini le package yokuba emotional intelligent. Mhlambe the basics uyakubona because I want to believe ukuthi akhona ama basics. Angibekise nje to be a good listener uyakubona. Noma to have ama basics of good communication. Ingabe nina bathwani vele igama lesingisi lihlakane leswati man but social scientist asangisho kanjalo nithini uthini nomgodla godla lofuna ukuthi ube nawo wena as a person uyakubona what do you build from it uyakubona ukuthi you know what for you to be a good emotionally intelligent person ufuna ukuthi ube nanawo
yeah I think ukushilo nje ngicala being a good listener.
Okay.
Uyabona letinye tinto nangabe you're not a good listener you react ungakangiva nokuthi ngitheni kahle. Kanti nangabe umuntu lo lalelako uyalalela then you digest vele ngisho kwangithi before you even answer ukuthi ngithe but nangabe udaba ngumuntu lofatako awukangiva nokuthi ngitheni uyabo awungeva nokuthi ngivele lento yami ngiyisusa kuphi ngiyisa sengifatile angenelani nokuthi kumbe kuwela njani la ngakuwe we understand kusho ukuthi angakhona icontrol my emotions especially nangabe we are having a heated nje argument uyabo vele lapho ngilakudzinga khona ngokuthi asinakhona phela sobabili you understand kuma relationships isikhathini lesiningi ngiloko ukuthi ngithi ngiyakhuluma sokuncagetulo awukeva nokuthi ngitheni uyabo asinakhona phela sobabili let me finish talking let me finish expressing the ngifuna kusho
emva kwa imagine ngiqeda ukukhuluma nina hayi mangathi
yathi ke uyabona nangaba sicede ukukhuluma wena dubo because vele sicede ukukhuluma sikhuluma netinto letinye letideka kungeke dikuphathe just remove yourself from the situation
ngikhuluma nawe uyahamba
ngikhuluma nami ngiyahamba
ngitselela wena
I'm trying to avoid to doing something like tangfaka into mana
lokunye ngiyabikisa emotional intelligence it's broad it's very very broad ngalenye indlela in such a way ukuthi uyabona
bathi ungasusula inyaba
uyabona lesikhathi uyabona ngihlale ngithi mina kude umuntu lodumona ngiyafisa ukuthi umuntu lomusha akwatile ukuthi everyone una umona but then the thing is isibiyela like emotional intelligence wena lo wakhumona njengathokozani Dube usebenzisela ini nangikhulile une masters are you jealous of khulile as individual or khulile ukumotivate to do better than her we understand uyayiva ikanjalo lento emotional intelligence it's broad njengoba ngishilo ukuthi iyamthinta kakhulu umuntu lomusha and nangabe umuntu lomusha lo the emotional intelligence le future yakho iba blurry ngale kugcineni because itinto takho awutendi ngokuthi ucontrol la ama emotions are controller wena and ukhanze ukuthi a controller nale future
together Pinze go affect even my relationships loba now. Ngaba ma intimate partner relationship, relationship ma colleagues, emsebentini.
True.
Relationship in community nje konke kya affect. So it is important vele ukuthi ube emotional intelligent. Usikhulumeka ukuthi how can we build emotional intelligence?
Yeah, sure.
Ushito khulila ukuthi it's all about the listening. Vele if utoba ngulomuntu lo funa wena ukuthi kuhlala kukhuluma wena without even listening actively because how khulila feels should matter to me because ngitongenda ukuthi ngibe able ukuthi ngingende something letomphatha kabi khulila because nakaphatha kabi khulila nami ngiba affected nami as an individual ngoba sebenda kanye khulila ngidambuta something if ngimphatha kabi mina if yena ngingabi able to recognize ukuthi yakhulila is not in a good space dokhanza ukuthi nami sengiba offended ngezinto leti leti easy or leti light leti mfanele bengeke ngibe offended ikiko ebekuthiwa ngirealize lo article is not okay lokunye futhi ukuthi ngakuthi ube able ukuthi to think before you react lokho ke sikushilo sike
think before you react
think before you react ngoba uDokhanza ukuthi vele upreventa ema situations lamanenge la socabanga ukuthi yathi vele lokho bekudinga ngakwenye yabona lana nje I'm in this trouble now because
of that
that really because bese sekuyabuya vele yathi I could have easily avoided this situation easily and nalokuthi ke kumcoka ukuthi ukukhulume nemuntu lomthembako kukhona tinto vele letingedi ngiphathe kahle kuthi ngakuthi nangabe if usengivakaza ukuthi angisakhona ukuthi handlisha on my own there's always someone you can trust not necessarily ukuthi kudinga ukuthi umthole la msebenzini ndomuntu lo tomthemba ekhaya your parents your siblings anyone even nemfundisi nangabe umthemba vele umfundisi wonke umuntu ungamthemba
and bafundisi ba these days
I know and ube nalo try to understand ukuthi bantu bona bafila kanjani ungadiphuthi wena kuphela ukuthi vele it's all about phayo think about the next person lo hleli naye ukuthi yena uva kanjani that's how you can even esikolweni ngoba
uyakhuluma phayo namuhla yemadoda
nami proud
guys phaya kakhuluma uyamangala phaya ukhuluma kanje uresearch yabo
nale confidence uyabona le confidence speaking uyabo
khuluma phayo
just to add la shoko phayo kunaba labasebenza ku the working class uyabona most of them but
the working class
yes either it's a quite collar job noma wena umsebenzi but ikhanza base ma debts most of the time ngenxa yokuthi abacabangi before bayotapa le mali kumashonisa ngiyabhekisa uyabona ukuthi nguthi control kuhambisana nemona sometimes ukuthi nje ngiyabhekisa Dube uthenga imoto hayi nami ngiyifuna angimathi nokuthi Dube uyithathe phile imali yale moto angimathi nokuthi how is the payment agreement with that person you understand uthi kanze ukuthi so kuma debts unnecessarily awadzinga nama debts uyabona because uyatati wena ngokuthi mina ma strengths akuphi financially uyabona so don't rush the thing wonke umuntu aka stay lane uyabona so that's to avoid ukuthi akusma situations langakameli abekiwo
guys just to build up from kule conversation yethu you know I remember Mr. Kenneth Makanya makenza ama presentations akhe he always makes an example of a World Cup is it 2006 noma 2010 kuma amakudala what yakubona yazidana yabo ukuthi Zidane ngoba khona nje lokungazwana lo materials yabona in the field of play and then one reactor wamhead and then after that he was given a red card and it costed France World Cup yakubona so what can you say Nina is abantu who have been you know creating awareness on emotional intelligence you know from that example and also to give practical examples of the things that are currently happening nowadays
okay
and maybe in your response when I show the consequences of you know of not being emotionally intelligent though lokunye sokubekile ukuba like ungena kuma debts yakubona ugcina uba abuser in understand
asengikube kusele nje Dube ukuthi ngicela kubela kancane back le example leshi nyalo kunebantu ababhejako
sure
a lot of money asesithi kudlala ifinal njengoba beyidlala previous month so uyabona nje ukuthi ithemba lethu lonke silibekela kuwe then wena vele nje kokucala nje Zidane was the star of le team beyidlala so lonke ithemba lethu silibeke kuwe then wena so yasuka lapho uyasbetray ngeke ukuthi awukakhona ukucontrol emotions
zakho
asengikube kusele ngifuna kuyibuyisela kubabe ekhaya ngiyabekisa babe ekhaya is the head of the family babe ekhaya lonke ithemba lethu sivama ukulibeka kubabe ukuthi yathi babe noma ngithiwa sinema issues babe can solve uyabona then babe make a mistake kungaba semsebenzini kokuthi akakakhoni maybe usho icolleague ngenxa yokuthi bane colleague babe ne arguments emsebenzini then babe yathi ukuthi ithina le emotional intelligence nase sikhulumisa towards the end siye sithi mayikumcoka lokho ukuthi uvele uwishe the blessings lo now because lesinye isikhathi kuyakubamba lokho ukuthi wente etinye ukuthi yathi mina ngeke ngisengikwende lokho bantu bami ngiyabekisa bantu bami my family it's not worth it man. Uyakubona so kuyadzinga lokho ukuthi ngiyabekisa na ngeke uzihlale wonke umuntu unako ukuthi yathi sowukwatile but then now ukwatile wena how do you react uyabona how do you react utawukhanza ukuthi utawureactela umuntu is either utamthuka lo muntu maybe emsebentini noma kuphi kublog khona akubophe ngiyabekisa akubophe lo muntu lo ukhanza ukuthi mina ngibelievela ukuthi once your fingerprints seba whatsapp ukuthi u committed a crime basically your future is doomed lomusha kanjalo nangabe umuntu lomusha longeke aza khona ukucontrol ama emotions akhe esikhathini even ngisho emsebentini you don't survive you don't survive because emsebentini sicashwa ngequalification but mhluzana uqoshwa uqoshwa ngokuthi awukhona control emotions it's either wena wena arguments na lomnye umuntu nashayana emsebentini it's not allowed lokho basically awukhona control ama emotions akho so uqoshiwe kanjalo uyabona kanti phela you need to
chithi mangabe nginenkinga na Tyson espanini ufuna ngimbambele ngaphandle
cha umbambana sibambana
do you call that controlling my emotions
umbambe
phela sisespanini siyayishana na Tyson but angeke ngize ngilo na Tyson la Spanini ngakho ukumbamba indla ngaphandle
utakubopha le ngaphandle phela
still
okay
utakubopha khona le ngaphandle because akusho asisho thini ukuthi emotional intelligence applies in a certain area
okay I love that
uyabo it applies everywhere la uhamba khona make sure ukuthi you control emotions kunebantu lapha
sesingayivala ke manje sesingayivala
sesingayivala young people banema crime yinto kuba nicala kwanze ukuthi abantu banemacala lamakhulu labanezini murder uyabona ukulula ke kubulala umuntu ngiyabhekisa angithi ngishilo nasekuqaleni ukuthi it's based on how you feel at that particular time ukhanze ukuthi le murder uyenta because wena ufila ngalo lokufila uva ngathi lo muntu uyakuprovoke vele ukupusha
ngaleso sikhathi leso
nawo ke maphoyisa sekakulandisa
react bese uyaqala manje uyazisola
noma ngabe udrunk kangakanani ubasopa noma ngathi udrunk kangakanani ubasopa nje uyabo ngenxa yokuthi you fail to control your emotions
no power to that guys Phayo angazi do you want to add something
No, okay, maybe what I can add ukuthi ngawuthi understand ukuthi feelings are normal and acting ukuthi uwa ignore or uwa bottlishe up ukuthi nje you have to learn to understand ukuthi okay my emotions, how do I feel now and bese so yabuka ukuthi uto acta kanjani without kuwenda something lo do regret in the future. And I think even it is important to also mention ukuthi kuba empathetic ukuthi would save us a lot of trouble. Kanzi uthi angeke ube
power to that
nje etinkingeni ngekuthi vele you understand ukuthi okay Khulile, how does she feel I think that's just
kuyezwakala. Mhlambe before sivala guys, do you have any advice to the youth out there when it comes to issues of emotional intelligence?
Yo, mina nje, especially to the youth. I mean, I'm passionate about the youth. Because if you try iyonakala la youth, iyonakale forever. Uyabona, yathi ukuthi nje youth days isikhathi less delicate kakhulu. Ngila khona you make decisions, ngila khona kuba ne breakthrough. Uyabona impilo yakho. So ke nangabe umuntu lomusha lo the emotional intelligence, you won't survive. La mhlabeni nje you won't survive because vele awuphili wethu but there are people sinema different personalities obviously ata clash at some point. So when how do you deal with that phela ngoba phela nangabe wena umuntu lomusha make sure ukuthi you control your emotions uthatha umoya yathi noma ngakuthiwa uyayibona le situation ukuthi yathi the situation vele is bad thatha umoya phela before you act because once waqala wa actor without thinking what ukuthi the consequences are khona lapho they are very very negative.
Cha kuyezwakala kakhulu. Phayo,
do you have just to echo Anamavi Akhulile what she said ukuthi vele controlling your emotions matters because vele our families abuke thina as youth khona vele ukuthi yatisithembele phaya ukuthi asikhiphe kule situation lesikuye as a family but wena nasoto actor esikoleni because umuntu ukwatisile wathatha ibhodlela washaya umumfu owamgwaza or something like that so runishe if you not necessarily yakho kuphela affects nalo bantu lababuke wena even as a parent njengoba sitokhulile earlier ukuthi ezumntwana udinga ukuthi ubuke ufocus on into letimcoko ubuye ukuthi yati ngiteleni lamsebenzini actually you have kids ekhaya bedinga ukuthi because bathembele wena vele so wena once you act on my impulse ukhanza ukuthi so bulale I future yabantu labane ngokuthi angeke na government angeke maybe abe able to help each and every one of us but because when unemntala ekhaya unguye loto bebe atakusita besithembele vele babe ukuthi nguye babe loto sisa esikolweni nguye babe loto sifundzisa size sifike evarsity but babe nasaboshiwe sesenda njani sekudinga ngihlale ekhaya sengikhanza sengenda something lebe ngingakafisi kuyenda ezumvana babe based off ukuthi sengisafarishela what I decision yababe
the consequences
that's the consequence vele
bese nivalelisile
Valelelisile.
No, ladies, thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for the information that you have just shared with us in the Blood Podcast. We really appreciate. We hope we are going to have part 2 of emotional intelligence because it's a broad topic. It's a broad topic. Yeah, thank you so much. We really appreciate. May the good Lord continue blessing you each and every day. Just with the Blood Podcast. Please don't forget to like, to share, and also to subscribe.